AI is officially disrupting the film industry. Google's Veo 2 is now integrated with LTX Studio. And it's insane. I just created a full perfume commercial for Chanel in 2 hours, using AI-generated video clips, camera control, and animation. And it cost me a third of the original price of hiring a team. Let me show you 10 raw clips that prove this isn't just good. It's the future. This isn't just about video quality. What shocked me most is how accurately Veo 2 follows the prompt, even during fast motion, scene transitions, and visual effects. Here's the prompt for clip 1. Camera pull of shot of lion running, then stop running and roar. Watch how perfectly it nails that. Clip 1. It's not just the resolution, it's the precision. Prompt adherence is near perfect. Clip 2. The AI keeps both the woman and the lion consistent throughout the movement, even with speed variations. That's rare. Clip 3. Camera tracking a woman running as a lion chases her. And it works. That's dynamic scene control in AI. Clip 4. Look at the details. Arms, legs, and hair react to motion naturally. This isn't static character animation. It feels human. Clip 5. Running legs are notoriously difficult in AI-generated footage, but this one pulls it off. Seamless leg articulation. Clip 6. The prompt was simply, lion gets down. It follows the intent with surprising accuracy and weight realism. Clip 7. This honestly doesn't look like AI. Lighting, motion blur, and timing are on point. Clip 8. This car scene. Unreal. The depth of field, camera angles, and reflections are things you'd expect from VFX teams, not AI. Clip 9. The VFX quality here isn't just passable, it's production ready. Clip 10. And yes, you can do more than just render. LTX Studio lets you add sound effects, camera direction, and full character animation, all within the tool. This is more than video generation. It's prompt to production. It's fast, consistent, and costs a fraction of traditional workflows. Try it out for yourself. Link is in description. If this blew your mind, like the video, share it with someone in film or media, and subscribe for more AI filmmaking tools, behind-the-scenes demos, and the future creative work. Because the new director's chair is powered by AI.